Hey, Bring a Trailer. It's Alex at White Glove. I just want to kind of walk you through the Austin-Heeley that we were just got done taking for a drive. And figured I'd kind of open some doors and show you how some things work and just kind of walk you around it so you can see everything as I see it. So, inside the trunk. There's the spare parts that we've got. Not a whole lot of stuff, but a few odds and ends of things that we've got left over for it. Walking around, doors open nice and smooth. All the sills are nice and clean. The hinges are nice and clean. Everything closes and opens nice and easy. Actually, let me grab the hood while I'm right here. Paint's in really nice shape. If you want to hold the camera there for just a minute, I'll start it up. New tires got put on today. Didn't really plan on that, but ended up being a little surprise, so we got those replaced. Again, hinges, doors, even the door panels, dashboard, really everything about the car is very, very, very clean. You can show the seat bolsters and stuff in here. There's no imperfections on the seats anywhere around. They're nice and solid. All the seams are tight and clean. Say if you've got any questions, hit us up. This is the last 24 hours of the auction, so we're going to be around and trying to keep an eye on it. If you've got any questions, email or message us and we'll get back to you as fast as we can. If you want to see something else, videos, photos, whatever it is, let us know. Thanks and good luck.